Hello everyone. When we come to the ESXi side, let's first create our VLAN groups on the ESXi side. If you are installing a physical firewall, you preset your VLANs on the switch side and then start the installation. Since we will be working on ESX in a live environment, I have created VLAN groups before. Let me show you the VLAN groups I created. From here we come to the Network tab. Here you can see the VLAN groups and trunk port group I created before. We will use this trunk port group when we create a sub-interface. We will use 44.34.0.0 subnet in VLAN 200. We will use 172.16.0.0 subnet in VLAN 16. In VLAN 10, we will use the 192.168.10.0 subnet. This will be our management VLAN. We will use 172.16.11.0 subnet in VLAN 11. In VLAN 12, we will use 172.16.12.0 subnet. You can create VLAN groups by saying add group here. Let's add VLAN 80 as an example. You create VLAN groups by typing the VLAN ID here. If you do not know about VMware, you can take the VMware virtualization basic training that I have published for free. You can learn how to create these VLAN groups in the VMware course. After making our preparations on the SE side here, we will start the installation in our next lesson. See you in our next lesson. Bye.